Okay, this is a demonstration for the Huff cough. It's to prevent you from scratching your throat when you need to cough out a productive cough in order to spit out the phlegm. If there's no phlegm, please don't cough. Okay, if there is phlegm, cough it out and spit it. Now, the Huff cough is done this way. Take a deep breath in slowly through your nose. Fill up your lung and hold for 1 second. And you just open your mouth, just a gap like this, and you do this. Alright? You will expel very quickly. Okay? Try one more time. Inhale slowly, hold 1 second, and go. Alright? This is a proper Huff cough. And then you spit up the phlegm.